Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are in the Sheraton downtown Phoenix in Arizona, and it's a great location in the heart of downtown Phoenix. They upgraded us to a suite, and this is a really nice one because it's actually a bath and a half with 2 closet spaces. So when you first walk in, you've got this little closet space right here, drawers, hanging space. Behind here is the safe and iron, and you have a half bath. Then you have a great sitting room area with a TV. It is a pull-out sofa. You have a little buffet area here with a coffee maker and supplies, and underneath there is a mini fridge, complimentary bottled water, great views due north of downtown Phoenix, or looking straight north. And we are right next door to the Herberger Theater, in walking distance of Phoenix Symphony Hall. So the views are spectacular. That is Scottsdale off in the distance that direction. And off that way a couple miles you would hit Camelback Road. So that's behind those other big tall buildings. So that's kind of where we are downtown. Really, really close and convenient to a lot of the entertainment venues. Then through here, you have the bedroom, the master bedroom. Another closet space, and your whole bath with a standing shower. Regular bathroom amenities. Okay, so that's it. The Sheraton downtown Phoenix suite. This particular room is 3019. It's been really updated beautifully. It's very comfortable. It's very zen, but it's kind of a warm feeling. So anyway, there you go. Please feel free to leave comments or questions. If we helped you with any of your travel plans, help us by subscribing and building our channel. And we thank you very much for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Happy travels.